Say good morning. Good morning, everyone. Our Tagalog WOTD is... What's our Tagalog WOTD? Ang ating Tagalog WOTD ay Toka. 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 Just listening to tita. Toka mong tupiin ang iyong blanket at toka mong tupiin ang iyong unan at kumot today. Toka ni tita na magluto ng lunch. Lunch or dinner. It's almost 1 o'clock. Toka ni titang magluto ng ulam today. Yes? Yes? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye na. Bye everyone. That's all for our quick Tagalog WOTD. Toka. And toka means assigned task. Assigned task. Or assigned work. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na. I have to fold my blanket pa. It's my toka today. Bye. Si Mudra magluluto. Toka niya. Si Mudra magluluto. Toka niyang magluto. Toka ni Mudra na magluto.
Toka ko ngayon ang magluto.
Yes. Who got the ball?
Where's your ball?
Who got the ball?
Oh, did you go?
Oh boy.
Where's
Who
your
got the ball?
Go get your ball.
Oh boy. Everyone can see you.